Okay, everybody, 1 second. We are now working on our last field, right? And this is the field you guys all got to see me planting with Dad. I don't know what video that was, but I'll put it in. But yeah, I feel like this is gonna be an emotional one. But our last field, it's exciting. Everything's been going pretty well. Everybody's safe, everybody's healthy, everybody's running right. So yeah, this is an 80-acre field, I'm pretty sure. So it'll probably take a couple of days, I think. Probably get the majority of it knocked out today. So it's exciting. We see the end in sight, and it's been a good harvest, I could say. So yeah, we're just opening it up now. That's kind of the slowest part, but I'll keep you posted. Hopefully everyone can hear me. Should be using the mics. Okay, see ya. John just told me good luck turning around in this area. He said don't put it in the ditch, so.
Crank her tight.
Thought I'd show y'all. I'm not gonna make it.
You could've. You better straighten her out so you can back it up. Oh, that's easy work for this thing. Oh.
Now I need to turn it
Yeah, that
this way.
To get the ground part going.
Oh my
Sharp,
gosh.
real sharp. Alright. Keep going.
I'm jackknifing it.
I know you are, but you're gonna make it. You're just jackknifing it enough to turn that way.
I think I can make it. I can make it.
Only one corner.
Took down one stalk. I'll take it. I'll take it!
And it's not in the ditch.
We made it.
That's good.
Oh my gosh. Just a little excitement. That one's not on. My gosh, 7's letting me down. For lunch today we have, what is this?
Pasta.
Creamy cheesy ziti. Delish. Leftovers from last night. 6 minutes in the Instapot.
Went right in the bowl.
Did it? I was aiming. Delish. Okay, we've started in on the back and forth rows. Cannon's not in here because he's out once again flying the drone, so I saw it over here a minute ago. See how that goes. You think he has any idea what he's doing?
Well, it looks like he's flying it anyway.
Do you see it?
I did. I don't know where he is right now.
kind of weird turning the camera on and talking to you guys because If I'm being honest, I don't really know what to say or what to talk about. I mean, Dad just knew so much about farming. He always knew exactly what to tell you and knew exactly what you guys wanted to hear. And I'm just trying my best to make it by. So just bear with me, y'all. Whoa, what happened to the rose right there?
Well, I don't know.
That was me. I did it. This field I planted, I think I already told you guys that, but this was my first time planting this field. And I got going one time and thought I pressed auto steer and just sat back and started to relax. Well, the auto steer was not on. So Dad slammed on the brakes and stopped me. He's like, hey, your auto steer's not on. Pushed the button and it took me right back over where I was supposed to be. So the so the rows are a little wonky right there. That's okay. It's all memories. Wouldn't trade it for the world. Cannon's still out there acting like he's doing something, so I guess he hasn't crashed yet. Oh, there's the drone. I see it. Stay away from those power lines, honey. It's following me. Okay. Oh, you're not recording.
Yeah.
Just kidding. No. Okay, we got Cannon driving now.
Bumpy.
He's driven for a couple rounds now, but we just loaded the last truck and we're gonna go ahead and fill up the grain cart and then we're gonna call it a day. This is an 80-acre field, and when we asked the last time, we had done 41, so we're well over halfway now. So tomorrow, well, we're supposed to get rain tonight, so we'll see how that goes. But tomorrow, hopefully, we can just knock her out. So.
Yep. Harvest is coming to an end quickly.
Yep, rolling right along. It's crazy. This field hasn't done as good as the field we were just in up top. Now we're down in the bottom. We don't really know why. Seems like we're having some issues with, what'd they say, cob rot? Cob rot. But yeah, I guess you'll have that. I think we're gonna have Jenkins come out. He's our seed dealer. I think we're gonna have him come out and look at it. But he said that there's been some issues like that in the area, so I guess we can blame Mother Nature, I guess. But you'll have that. But we're still really happy with how things are going, and like I said, we're gonna fill up the grain cart and we're gonna call it quits. So see you guys later. All right, it's Thursday, October 27th. Didn't harvest anything yesterday because it rained all day. It was really crappy yesterday. Cold, rainy, cold. But Jenkins came out this morning, our seed dealer, and checked out the corn because, like I said, we were having a little trouble with some sort of cob rot or something. But he came out and sort of explained to us a little bit that, what did he say? It was sort of like a perfect storm. Like, he said he wouldn't have done anything different, but everything just sort of happened not in our favor. Well, they said something about the hybrid they did sort of fell apart. But it all comes down to Mother Nature. He said he wouldn't have done anything different, and he's sorry the way it turned out, but I mean, it's all a gamble. That's farming. But he just left, and we thought we didn't have the right settings on the combine because it was throwing out cobs that still had quite a bit of corn on them. But that comes with that cob rot. The cob is just sort of spongy, and the little grains of corn just aren't coming off like they should, so the combine's having a hard time getting it off the cob because it's so spongy. It's just holding on to every little piece of corn. But it's nothing we're doing wrong. It's nothing the combine's doing wrong. It's not a wrong setting. It's just the way it is. But yeah, we'll know more about the yield and stuff once we get going and once we get this field finished, because we're probably going to finish today, and once we finish this field, we're finished with everything. So we'll see how it does. Hopefully over here on this east side we have a little bit better yields, but John did say it's starting to look a little better, so we'll see. But that's probably not even recording. It is recording, but I can't see any.
Nice.
Freaking GoPros, man. Well, that video sort of turned to crap. It's freaking GoPros, man. nothing we can do about it. It is what it is, but anyways, I'm still gonna use it because I don't even know what I said, but whatever. How many acres do we have left?
12.
12! Holy cow! We're almost finished. Come up here and let Cannon out. He'll get some shots of tequila. I just kidding.
Love you.
Love you.
You might finish before that.
I know, maybe. 12 acres is not very much. Okay guys, I would assume this is gonna be our last dump on the go for Harvest 2022. It's freaking crazy, but I'm sure this is the last time I'll dump, and I'll probably go dump on the truck and you'll finish. I can't believe it. I think I'm feeling every single emotion in the book right now. And I just feel like I'm trying to hold it together. But hopefully I got some good shots. The video might be a little choppy, a little here and there, bouncing around. But hey, you make do with what you got. I'm doing my best.
Just stop here.
My last dump of the year. I don't know how I'm feeling. I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm all of the above. Yep, and just like that, that's it, I think. Harvest 2022. It's been good, it's been bad, it's been rough, it's been, and it came, and it went. So, like I said, hopefully I got some good enough footage to throw a video together. I'm sure it'll be fine, but it's probably going to be choppy and a little bit of everywhere all at the same time, but we're doing it, and we're doing all right. So, if anything else exciting happens, I'll try to catch it. It looks like Cannon's over there still flying the drone, but I think that's it. So, I said a little bit before about how we had a friend writing and illustrating a book sort of in Dad's honor, and I'm gonna put in a link for that for his website. You can get on there and you can find some more information about it. You can pre-order a book, you can donate if you'd like to, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. And yeah, so I'll just go ahead and drop a link for that. You guys can go ahead and check it out and see what it's all about. And thank you guys for everything, all the support. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything. We do still have merch on the way. I know we just finished Harvest, but things got crazy and merch got behind. So our Harvest merch is coming. Be patient on that. We have big plans for merch, so stay tuned. And yeah, Combine just finished up. It's going over there to dump on the truck, and that's it, everybody. So thank you all for watching and supporting and for everything you do. Stay tuned. We've got big things coming.